Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decor ideas. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about cake designs in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative design. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. All the cake designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bride celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. I am sure cake decor ideas from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.